So Daddy is trying to make coconut rice. First step, you slice the onions. He's still slicing the onions because he wants to make yummy coconut rice. Now he's boiling the turkey. Now he's slicing the bell pepper. And he's still slicing it to make yummy coconut rice. And now he's boiling the rice. Now he's washing the rice. Now he's frying the bell pepper and onions. And now he's mixing the onions and the bell pepper together. Now he's adding the prawns because he wants to add prawns because he wants us to be healthy and strong. Now he's adding the coconut milk. Now he's mixing the coconut milk with the onions, the bell pepper, and the prawns. And he's still mixing it. Now he's adding the rice with the coconut milk and the prawns and the onions and the bell pepper. And now he's mixing it mixing it all together. Now he's adding the beef stock. Now he's adding the beef. Now he's mixing them all together to make yummy coconut rice. Now he's dishing the food. And now the food is ready. It was so delicious when I tried it.